cold outside today. But I want to go down and try to find this lake where we're all camping here. Anyway, I need to bundle up in about 2 more layers and have something over my ears. I mean, it's bitterly cold out there. So I'll take you guys with me, but there's no point in talking, so I'll play some music to it. Anyway, that's all I want to share with you tonight. I want to stay inside the RV where I can stay warm. I'm going to watch Beetlejuice with Jax and just wait for the morning and see if things change tomorrow. So I will cut back in. Maybe I'll set the camera up overnight here. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Good night, guys. Well, good chilly morning to y'all. The wind has died down a little bit and I can film outside this morning. It always dies down at night a little bit. We're packing up from this nice little area and we are going to hopefully try to avoid the heavy rain and snow in the forecast by going a little farther east today. We'll see how it goes. Scotty's checking his fluids over there.
Yeah, gotta be on top of that.
Oh yeah. Moo-Moo's getting her morning exercise. Holy cow, coming in hot. How you doing? And let you know where we end up today. Welcome to Steele, North Dakota. Bird is the word. Big bird. It's official, guys. This is home of the world's largest Sandhill crane here. And they have some birding drives information here. Long Lake is a 61-mile lake. Actually, Long Lake back home in Washington. I still have a GoPro at the bottom of Long Lake that has never been recovered to this day. There he is, guys, the world's largest sandhill crane. I love this. For best photo opportunity, photographer stands in hole, subject stands on hill, crane will be in the background. Okay, thanks. I'm only not quite sure how tall he really is. The paint is fresh, that's cool. And we're looking up at an overcast sky, so it's pretty washed out. Sorry about that. Interesting little garden area that I cannot believe how beautiful the colors are. I did not know originally that I was going to be in North Dakota right when all the changing colors are happening, but it's actually really pretty. Reds and orange and pink and a little bit of green left over. Yeah. So we're back on the road going east. They are calling for rain and snow tonight, so the 3 of us RVs, we're going to find a stopping point before the bad weather hits tonight. But for right now, our destination is 54 miles away in Jamestown, North Dakota. So, got some driving to do. Let you know when we get stopped. don't know if we're going to see any, but we're going to look for some buffalo here in Jamestown, North Dakota. There were some signs off the highway, so I'm going to let Jax have some fresh air, and we'll all go explore together. What do you think, buddy? Want to check it out? Heck yeah, you're in your buggy. It's how we do it. It looks like there might not be any buffalo to see today. They have different places they go during the fall and winter months. We're gonna try it out. We're here at the National Buffalo Museum. And well, you got this creature right here, but also out over in the field, there's another huge one that we're gonna go look at, maybe a picture opportunity too. It looks like a friendly place for pets, I think. Go check it out. Jax, man, wanna see a buffalo? Oh, it's a buffalo. What do you think?
What do I do with it?
You can smell it. Do you wanna give him a kiss? No? Okay. Like this one. Is he okay? You check him out? Oh, okay. Jax, if anyone asks, you're my service cat today, okay? Yeah. I needs ya. I needs yas. You needs me's. Here we go.
And take 2.
Oh, collision! Dunk.
That was cool.
It's only one collision. Moo-moo!
Okay, so. Oh, there it is.
So this is cool, outside the museum. We're gonna go in the museum later. I'm gonna show you, I bought an admission ticket, so I'll show you some stuff inside there on the way out. But they got the general store and the church behind me and some railroad cars and stuff. Feels all westerny, huh, Jax? What do you think? This log cabin is a restroom. Okay. What are they, Jax? Well, no buffalo yet, but we got Baramu. Oh, by the way, this is Fred and Ted, and they are pygmy goats. What are you guys waiting for down there? Did something drop in there? Do I have to do something? All right, so we'll put that guy in there. Turn this. Oh, was that pretty good? Okay then. Did you get it? All right. What do you think, Jax? Should we set up one of those for you so that all your viewers can feed you for 25 cents? I mean, it's cool. These buildings don't do anything. They're all locked up, but it's an old western town. I'm a sucker for these old western town facades and stuff, you know? You could film a little movie or something here. What do you think, buddy? It's pretty cool. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, this time of year, everything's just closed up, locked up because, well, they're expecting some sub-freezing temperatures and snow soon, so yeah, it's still cool. They have pony rides here in the summer. Uh-huh. The stagecoach. Well, that's cool. Whew, getting chilly again. Jax, are you cold? No, you're okay? Good. Okay, want some help? You gotta sit down. You gotta put your paws up here. Is that fun? No, it's not fun, Dad. I'm a cat. What do you think, Jax? What is that? Wanna go talk to that big buffalo? Yeah, this is the world's largest buffalo, guys. 1959, Dakota Thunder it's called. He's an absolute monster. Woo-wee. Wow. Whatever do you mean? Oh, okay. So Jax is getting stubborn and a little cold. I'm gonna go put him back in the RV, and then I will go into the museum where I can share more of that with you guys. I did get a new magnet too. It's the Great White Buffalo, National Buffalo Museum magnet. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna put him on the main bedroom magnet board though, because I want to enjoy him for a little bit. So maybe I'll start putting the newest magnets I get right here still, and then as time moves on, I'll be moving them over to the main board. That way I can still look at it. I'm sorry, he's not in focus at all. There you go. Yeah. All right, now I'm prepared. We're gonna go check out this museum, and I brought my other zoom lens in case we get another chance to actually show you some buffalo. So it's $8 for adults to get in the museum. They have a little film here you can watch. They do have some bones here from the life of Sam, an ancient bison, so you can see how big the buffalo really are. Yeah, that's crazy. I sure wouldn't want to get trampled by one. Here's more of a modern bison skull and a buffalo coat. It's too warm in here. I shouldn't have brought the coat. Let's go outside though. So I did bring my 300mm zoom lens, and that's still as close as we're gonna see today because they're just not very close to the building. They're out grazing, enjoying that last little bit of grass before winter hits. And no sign of the great white buffalo.
Great white buffalo.
They have an authentic looking teepee inside the museum too. Can't touch, but it's made of buffalo skin, and there's the buffalo fur inside. It looks kind of cozy. Bambi got separated from mom again. Probably as close as anybody will ever get to like a real buffalo here. Life size. Kind of realistic looking too. And they have a little piece here that you can actually touch and feel. It's kind of like a coarse, but also rough, almost wiry feel to it. But it would definitely keep you warm, kind of like the inside of my jacket. And a 9.5 foot Alaskan brown bear. You don't want to mess with them either. Yes! There he is, the elusive great white buffalo.
The great what?
Great white buffalo.
Why are you guys whispering?
Great white buffalo.
He looks a little fluffier. Look at them clodhoppers. He's. There's a 12-year-old bull raised in Streeter, North Dakota. A nice happy deer and a moose. Marty Moose, Marty Moose. No? I always feel like I have to say, anyway, I didn't even show you nearly like 10 or 15% of that museum. You got to check it out for yourself when you come through. Just a little teaser of some of my favorites. But I think we are going to get back on the road and try to find some camping, because like I said, we are expecting both rain and snow in the forecast tonight before it gets dark even. So yeah, so today was a good day. I'm filming every single day, but also this video took place on 2 different days, so still trying to shoot out a video every other day for you. I'm just staying really busy sharing it until I get to Minnesota and break away from the group. But I'm here at Moon Lake, and if you're wondering, yeah, it's been about, I think, 4 years since I've been here, and it's pretty much the same. It's a beautiful lake camping with picnic table, barbecue grill, and everything, and with one bonus. It's cold and windy and getting ready to snow. Actually, you can probably see the snowflakes every once in a while. It's happening. But one camper gets electric. Well, 2 campers. 110 volt using my adapter, and I won't even need it that much. I think we'll probably just alternate. I talked to Aja, Scott, and Terry. They're on their way later tonight. They're gonna camp here as well. It is snowing, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this video right here, and I'll start the next one from this same spot, and it'll show the next 2 days. So from Jax and I, we will see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.